And again, today, again, you have to, all of you, you have to be create those pages one by one. So whatever we are doing right now, all of you have to go together. सबको ये काम कर लेना है. So we are starting with website. Our intention is to create pages, menus, blog, and theme for the day. And apart from that, images, logos, we will have a dedicated session on that. If you are product yourself, do the product photo shoot. If you are any service provider, productize your services and make visual presentation. Make your website visually appealing, because we are able to, as a human being, we always understand visuals better than the text, right? So let's start with the theme. Today we are going to start with the theme. As I said, theme is the structure of your website. Theme आपके वेबसाइट पे इंफॉर्मेशन को कैसे ऑर्गेनाइज करना है, इसका एक प्लेस होल्डर आपको दे देता है. मेन्यू कहाँ पे ऐड करना है. If you can do the word, all of you have worked with the word file, MS Word पे सबने काम किया है. Anyone who has done work on the MS Word? All of you must have done. Yes. Okay. So, ma'am, take my website, and Rakesh is saying take your website as an example. Yes, Rakesh, after Seema, I'm coming to your place, right? So one by one, I'm going to see each of your website. It's no worry. So first you have to go to the appearance and go to the theme. Go to the appearance and go to the theme. When you are working on the free website, you have to select from the given theme only. By default, when you start with the WordPress will install the default theme. What is your current theme? Abhi website ka current theme kya hai? Your current theme is 2021. This is the default WordPress theme right now. So right now we are not going to continue with the current theme. We will add new theme. So this option is called add new theme. So click on that add new theme. अगर आपकी free website है उसमें add new का option नहीं आता. Here you have the option of upload theme. If you are a PHP developer, if you are an enterprise or company who want to develop your own theme, you can develop your own theme and upload your theme. You can buy the theme from third party, किसी theme forest से, Google से, कहीं से भी आप theme को download करके यहाँ upload भी कर सकते हैं. So right now we are not uploading theme. We are going to use one free theme from the given library. Here search for Astra, ASTRA. Search for Astra. यहाँ पे आप search करेंगे Astra. जो search theme का option है, ऊपर और थोड़ा ऊपर जाएंगे Astra. Yes, search.
Yeah, is it not the same one here?
Yes, it is the same one. It is the same one. Whoever is not able to see that, you can search that. अगर आपने नहीं, या आपको extra theme नहीं मिल रहा है, you can simply search and you will find that, right? Wherever it is written customize, जहाँ कहीं भी अभी जो current theme है, can you see the customize option? Can you see the customize option? Wherever it is customized, that means that is your current theme. वही आपका current theme अभी वही है. So whenever you will install a new theme, the entire coding get stored on your server. तो आप अगर everyday theme change करेंगे तो हर दिन नया software, नया code, नया collection of information you are putting on your server, and this may make your server not that optimized one. So I would,
ma'am,
yes.
Ma'am, I couldn't see that add theme, so I'm using the free website WordPress to try. I can't see the theme section. I can't see that add theme.
Yes, in free website you will not see the add theme. That's why I asked all of you कि you must have your self-hosted domain. कि सबके पास अपना domain और hosting होने के बाद ही वो add theme का option है वो free वाले में नहीं आएगा. You will not see the free option in the free one.
Okay.
Right? So it's perfectly fine. You can just revise the video and you can do the same thing when you are working on the self-hosted. I know you have lot many domain and lot many hosting.
Yeah. That I'm not not like to confuse on that area. So only I.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
So you will find the Astra, and then to install anything, you can click on install. So what I would suggest for the next 7 days, don't experiment with the theme. yes, you can experiment with a demo web. If you have a demo domain and demo hosting, there you can go and experiment with a lot many themes. Right now, if in 7 days, if we want our website up and running, right now we are going to focus on Astra theme. You can click on install, and it's installing. All of you can see the installing. Yes. Now you can see the activate option. You have to click on activate, install and activate. While a theme, you have to search for Astra. Once you have find the Astra, then you have to install it, and then you have to activate it. Now you can see the customize option. Wherever customize option is, it means this is your current theme. Now on your server, how many themes are installed? On your server, how many themes are installed now?
3.
2 themes, at least 2 themes. One was the 2021 default theme which WordPress has installed for you.
Correct.
Right? And one Astra we have installed right now.
Yes.
So it's okay. 2 theme is perfectly fine. 2 theme is perfectly fine. If you are experimenting with the more theme, I would suggest go to your server space, go to the file manager and delete all the extra theme which you have installed for the experiment. Because
how to do that?
I will explain that. You can just go to the hosting provider, hosting cPanel, and you can find file manager. And in that file manager, you can go to the HTML. This is HTML file. There is a public_HTML folder, and within that there is a file manager. And in the file manager, you will be able to see all the file and folders of your server. You can choose to delete any or upload or like edit any file. So there you can delete all the old themes which you don't want to be on your server, right? So right now I'm expecting on your server, you will have 2 themes. One is your 2021 and another is your Astra. Done. This is so far so good.
Yep.
Yes. Now we will install a set of plugins. We will try to install a set of plugins. So here you can go and refresh the page,
Do you need to click the get now?
Sorry?
There is a link for get started. You have to click that after activating.
Get started. Who is this?
Amit.
Amit. Yes, Amit. Where you are seeing the option of get started? Like, okay. Thank you for Astra. Yes, you can go click on that get started because we are creating a theme. Astra is collection of other themes. So you can see that starter template. Can you see that ready to use starter template? Do you know Astra come with a dozen of ready to use starter template? So it may be possible as soon as you are installing Astra, this starter template by default get installed, and you will see that starter template under the appearance. It may be possible in few of the version, it may be possible कि starter template by default install हो जाए और वो starter template आपको appearance के अंदर दिखने लग जाए. लेकिन just in case if starter template is not, you are not able to see the starter template, you can click on that get started and install that starter template. Right, first thing. And second thing, even if you are not seeing this get started, you are not seeing this starter template here, you are not seeing the starter template under the appearance, in that case, you will go to the plugin. You will go to the plugin, right? And in that, you will click on add new plugin. And there you will look for a starter template. I'm just giving you all the possibility because you are on the different system, different WordPress version, different Astra theme. It might be possible that 99.99% chances that your starter template will be there. Just in case it's not there, you can go to the plugin, you can go to the add new, and here you can search for starter template. Plugin, there is a search plugin option, search keyword and search plugin option. Yes, here you can search for starter template. Starter template is nothing but a collection of template, starter template. Yes, the first one. The first one, if you will install only when Astra is not giving you the option of get started with the starter template. if a starter template is not appearing in your appearance, then you will go and install it. Right? So right now I don't want to install a starter template from here. You can just uninstall it right now. Again, don't activate it, uninstall it. We are going to use the get a starter template of the, yes, starter template is here.
Yeah, actually I installed it. Like how to uninstall it?
Uninstall, if you have installed, as you are installing theme, it will increase the coding on your server. In the same way as you will install more and more plugin, it will add extra code on your server. So whenever you are experimenting, go ahead and experiment with the theme or plugins. But if you are finding that I don't want to continue with this plugin, go and uninstall it. How you can uninstall it? Go to the plugin, go to the install plugin, list of installed plugin. Here you can see the starter template. Can you see the starter template?
Yeah.
Scroll. Yes. Here you can select it, uninstall, and then deactivate. First deactivate, then uninstall. There you can see the option deactivate and then uninstall. So I also want that delete it. I would say delete it right now, because we are going to fresh delete it. Right? So in any time, if you are finding any plugin or any theme is not you are not using continuously, you can anytime you can deactivate and delete it. So I want your server to be clean as possible, as minimal as possible. So you are clear about right now you are working on these themes. You are working on these plugins, right? So let's come back to the appearance and theme. So there is two work we have to do here. First, install the theme, and second is customize with the starter template. Starter template. Can you see that get started?
No, it's not showing up anymore.
Okay, no worries, no worries. You can go to the plugin and install it again.
The starter template? Or should I refresh and see if it shows up?
Yes, that you can also do. So whenever you are using any theme, majority of the theme want to provide you the complete package. So they want to give you the collection of some plugins, which will help you to create those pages.
Okay, it's not showing up. So should I go here and install?
Yes, you can go to the plugin and add new plugin and click on the starter template and install that starter template. So far, so good.
Mom, spelling.
Yeah.
So, I'm actually lost in between.
Is my voice, is my something, some issue from my end? Okay. So is it
actually,
better?
am I lost in between? Do we have to install these plugins over here, or what we have to do?
Yes, this is starter template. Right now we have to install two things. One is extra theme and a starter template plugin.
So when I go to starter template, it is showing, okay, already I have to go to install plugins or just plugins?
No, install to install that new plugin, you have to click on add new.
Okay, add new. Okay.
Yes,
okay.
whatever plugin already installed, that you will see the list in the installed plugin. If you have already installed the plugin.
So there I'm getting this Yoast SEO and all that.
You have, yes, this is the list of the plugin which you have already installed or might be in your list. But here you have to, we are adding new one. So you can click on add new and then search for a starter template. Here you can search for the starter template.
In case of this, there is no starter template appearing over here. I've just clicked on plugins, then add new. And in that I can see page builder.
There you have to search. There you have to search. There is an option to search template.
Okay, search. So yes. What to write?
Starter template. Starter template.
Okay.
Okay, how many of you are doing simultaneously? Or
I'm
how many
doing
of you?
Simultaneously.
Okay. And how many of you are waiting that first you will see and then you will do later? you can just write with you. If you are doing simultaneously, you can write with doing with you. And if you want to watch later, you can say that I will do later, something like that.
So in the starter template, I have to install which one? There are 4-5 options have come.
No, the first one, this is Brainstorm Force, provided by Sushil is saying do latter, Nayan is with me, Rakesh is saying latter.
Starter template by this Brainstorm Force.
Yes, yes. Starter template by Brainstorm. You can see the number of star rating. Whenever you are installing any plugin or installing any theme, you can see that this should come from the reliable source. Like this is one of the reliable source. You can see the number of star rating. This is 5-star rating. You can see the number of reviews, 1,600 plus reviews. You can see the number of active installs, 1 million plus active installs. You can see the last update, means this theme is working towards improving. So last update is 2 days ago. You can also see the compatible with your WordPress version. So all these are the indication that you are going to use a right plugin. So whenever you are using any new plugin or new theme, you can keep this factor in mind that because someone else is doing coding for you, so you have to rely on some brand or some already, you have to see the social proof before using it.
But this activate button is not highlighting. I don't know.
So once it will be installed, then it will be highlighted.
I have not pressed the button for install anywhere in this.
Okay. So let's, right now we have reached here. Who want to, I'm going to help you. Rakesh wanted to do the same thing. Rakesh, should I help you to reach here? And by the time, Amit, you can do yourself. I'm doing a scratch from the Rakesh because Rakesh is planning to do later, but he also wanted to do it with me. Okay, nice, thank you. So I'm reclaiming host. Seema, give me a second. I'm going to help Rakesh in that. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ, आ रही है बिल्कुल आ रही है.
आप मेरे को होस्ट ना बनाए, आप होस्ट आप ही रहें. एक काम करें, मैंने आपको पासवर्ड और ईमेल आईडी दिया हुआ है अपना.
हाँ.
उससे आप यूज करके आप सीधा बताते चले जाएं, करते चले जाएं उस पे. ठीक है, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, मैं बाद में प्रैक्टिस करूँगा.
Sure, because I want you guys to do the practice. You have to commit, man. You have to come, because if I will do, that will be my practice. If you will do, that will be your practice. So I want you to revise this video again if I'm doing it.
Yes, sure.
Okay, fine. Is it okay with all of you? Or in between, if anyone want to help, I can make you do yourself on the session itself. Right? So what is your website? Rakesh, what is your website? You can share the website URL, domain.
singacademy.in.
Sing.
ये होस्टिंगर पे है, होस्टिंगर पे लॉगिन होगा.
Okay, no, I want only WordPress access.
singacademy.in.
Is my screen is visible to all of you?
Yes.
No, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, it is better now. So just spell your website URL or type in the chat window singhaca.
singacademy.in.
Is it okay if I will show you? This is what you are. This is what is your website?
Yes.
Okay. So if you have the website, you have to go to the WP admin. The first step is go to the WP admin. So how you can go to the WP admin? WP-admin, right? Then it will ask for the user ID password. It's /WP admin. It's a / your website, means singacademy.in/WP-admin. So it will ask for the user ID password. So you have to ask for the user ID password. For a second, I'm just stop sharing.
पर्सनल विंडो पे भेजा हुआ है आपको.
Okay. I'm just entering the user ID and password. It's your email ID and password. right? Whoever is feeling like little bit of overwhelming, or you feel like, okay, it's a little bit tough, what I would suggest, start clicking on all the links of the WordPress dashboard. When we are opening this dashboard, just click on all the links. Just start clicking on all the links and try to understand it. You have to make yourself familiar with this dashboard. This is the task of the week. So you have to be familiar with this dashboard. Is this dashboard familiar to you, all of you?
Yes.
So
Yes,
yes.
sir.
So to spend more, to be more familiar, to be more friendly, just start clicking on all the links and try to understand what that means. So in a week, you will be like fantastically familiar with this dashboard, and you can do better. Whoever is brand new, like Sushil or anyone who is not explored that platform earlier, just open this and keep clicking on all the links for 1 week. Okay, so here we are in the WP admin, and we want to install. First thing is the theme we want to install. Theme always will appear in the appearance. You will go to the appearance, go to the theme, click on the theme, and here this is your Astra theme. The customize option is there. This means we have already installed the Astra. Customize options is there. That means this is your current theme, right?
Yes.
So current theme, and want to make starter template. Yes, allow. So right now, either you can go, starter template is already there. Can you see that starter template is already there? In Rakesh's case, starter template is already there. So you have 3 options. Once you install Astra, they will give you option to get started. You can click on get started, install the starter template. If a starter template is already there, you have to just allow it and start working on it. Or if you are not finding this starter template anywhere, go to the plugin, click on this add new, search for the starter template, install it, activate it. Is it fine?
Correct.
Yes. So it is also one-time job. So far, it is also one-time job only. You need not to do it every time. So here I'm clicking on this, yeah, allow, want to help, right? Then we can go to the starter template. All of you, if anyone is doing with me, you can go to the starter template, and I would suggest you can just watch right now, and I will give you time to do it. All right.
Correct.
Okay. So here you can go to the Elementor. And can you see the already pre-designed templates? All these are the pre-designed templates. This is not one template. You have multiple templates related to the burger or food or book or business or you can find so many templates.
Yes, इसमें से मैम उसका एजुकेशनल थीम चाहिए.
Okay, so we will select some educational theme. So let's do what educational theme we want to go for. Can you find someone? You can suggest me.
या ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन का देख लीजिए, सर्च करके देख लीजिए.
We can search here, learn digital marketing. There is one. The good part of this is when you will install this template, all the pages have placeholder. Means सारे पेज पे कुछ images और कुछ content, और you have to just do the editing. जो केवल fill in the blanks kind of, अब images change करना होगा, वो text change करना होगा, ये paragraph change करना होगा. So that is easier. So here we can search for online business coaching and consulting.
ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन,
online health coach.
सर्च कर लीजिए मैम, मिल जाएगा.
Online education, outdoor adventure, online coaching, online courses.
हाँ, ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज भी चलेगा.
Yes. So here this is the online courses, right? You can go.
कि उसमें कम से कम 2-3 कोर्सेज हम जो है दिखा सकें.
Right. So here you are selecting the theme, and you have to change that theme according to that, like it's an online course. So some courses are already populated there. वहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारे courses के place holder दिखेंगे. वहाँ पे course का नाम, course का image, course का description you have to change.
Yeah, yes.
Right. So this will help you, because I wanted this entire exclusively for the personal branding and blogging. If for the personal branding and blogging, right now this is about academy. Right now I'm selecting this online courses kind of thing, or academy kind of thing. But,
yes.
Yes, but
Academy kind of thing. Yes.
Yes, but if you are going for personal branding and blogging, you can select another theme. Let's suppose I want to do. I'm coming back, and I will select from one of these for this particular domain. But I'm suggesting for others like dietitian, or like digital marketer, or we have the different set of people here. So for them, you can start with the blogging or personal branding.
मैम अभी आप अपीयरेंस के अंदर थीम्स में हो ना, स्टार्टर टेम्पलेट्स में?
अपीयरेंस के अंदर स्टार्टर टेम्पलेट के अंदर एलिमेंटर यस अपीयरेंस के अंदर स्टार्टर टेम्पलेट के अंदर बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस थे. देयर यू हैव टू गो फॉर द एलिमेंटर. So we are going for the personal, then you can see the personal dietitian, but personal fitness, personal trainer homepage, personal website. So in that case, whoever is not ready with the product and services, you can start with a personal website, because you have to establish yourself as a brand. So here you can go for personal website. You can also go for the personal website. Apart from the
somewhere premium is written, so
premium means you have to pay for that thing. Okay. So right now start with a free one. Start with any free one. So many. I am sure you will be able to find the good premium. नहीं भी है, जो भी उसके अलावा भी आप. I have worked on one of the nature theme. I think. Let me see if I can find that. This is you can select. This is the one thing you can select if you are not able to fix your mind for a particular theme. I want you to go for this. Is it fine? Right now, no analysis paralysis. So many options are there. If you will start comparing, you will get a little bit lost. So right now, I want कि जो भी है आज हम एक theme fix कर लेते हैं. We will fix our theme, and next 7 days we will work on that theme. In future, at any point of time, we can go and improve it and change it and make it better.
Sure.
Right. So either you can go for this Sera Nature Park. Every theme has little bit of differences. हर theme में हर option exactly same नहीं मिलेंगे. So I want majority of you can go for this Sera Natural Park. So I will be explaining everything. And for now, it's very clear that Rakesh sir want to go for the online education. So I am going to select some online education templates for this particular online course template for this particular this
academy.
Yes. So now suggest me 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me the number. Which one? First one. First one. So let's go for the first one. And there is an option called import complete website. Import home template or import complete website. If you're starting for the first time, let's go for the import complete website. All of you will click on import complete website. They are suggesting you for the premium plugin. So right now I'm skipping this and going to skip and import. Okay, here you have to decide what to WordPress. If you are a beginner or intermediate or expert, you can select whatever. You can select beginners, or you can select. In case of beginners, they keep guiding you. They give you the virtual tour. In intermediate, you can have a different. You can select anyone. Beginners. So, do you want to select beginners?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Let's select beginners. Okay. I'm building this website for your company or for my client. For myself, my company, or my client. So you can select myself and my company.
Yeah.
So you can click on next. So here you have to give your name and your email ID. Suggest me your name, Rakesh Kumar Singh. Rakesh Kumar Singh.
Yeah.
And your email ID?
Same जो मैंने आपको दी हुई है वही डाल दीजिए.
Okay, just write in the chat window. I have to open.
Okay.
मुझे WhatsApp खोलना पड़ेगा.
नहीं मैं कर रहा हूँ.
This can be any email ID, right?
Any email ID. It can be ideally. It's see. These are 3 different companies. वर्डप्रेस एक अलग कंपनी है और ये थीम प्रोवाइडर एक अलग कंपनी है. तो थीम प्रोवाइडर is collecting email from you in a way.
Lead magnet.
Lead magnet, yes. Theme provider is going to give you the option. Okay, हमारे पास premium theme भी है, हमारे पास premium plugins भी हैं. Do you want a dedicated support? Do you want your website to be created by us? So you are creating your account on the theme provider. So here we have email ID you can provide.
Yeah, दे दिया है.
हाँ दे दिया, बिल्कुल दे दिया सर. So here you can give your email ID and then you can click on submit and start import. So आप देखो सब एक दूसरे से लिंक है. GoDaddy पे काम कर रहे थे and there you have linked the WordPress. GoDaddy was अलग company and WordPress was different company. In GoDaddy you have given the email ID of you have created account for the WordPress. In WordPress you are creating account on the theme provider. So the import process can take few minutes time depending on the size of the site and speed of the connection. Please do not close this browser window until the site is imported completely. Successfully activated plugin WooCommerce. WooCommerce, any idea what is WooCommerce?
Oh.
WooCommerce is the for online payment, like if you want to have a e-commerce website. WooCommerce theme, WooCommerce plugin exclusively to create an online store on your website. So the theme which we have used right now have the facility, have the feature you can set up an online store where you can have a plugin, where you can have the payment option, or where you can create the product categories and product upload and product descriptions, and you can club the different product and create combo offers. So these features are available for exclusively for the e-commerce website. So this website is combination of you are creating a company website as well as have the feature to set up or include. Yes.
Sorry for the interruption, ma'am.
No,
I'm buying 1 month because my board has so many website accounts. So I want to select WordPress and another option is WordPress only you have. Yes.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, but if you're asking that if you're buying hosting, which if you're buying hosting, you have to go for the WordPress hosting.
Only WordPress. Okay.
WordPress hosting. Yes, we are right now focused towards only WordPress hosting.
Okay, ma'am.
So yes, hooray, congratulations, your website is imported. Go ahead and customize the text, images, design to make, means your structure is ready. आपका एक like आपको
बाउंड्री बन गई.
हाँ, अब आपका वो स्ट्रक्चर रेडी होना है. आपको एक अपार्टमेंट का एक फ्लैट मिल गया है. Now you have to decorate it. Interior designing, decoration अब आपको करना है.
Correct.
Right. So having said that, now come back and we will start with the visit website. It's done. So far, how many of are able to do that? How many of are able to install the Astra, install the starter templates, install the selected one, any of the template, and imported the complete website of that template? Nayan is done. Rakesh is done. I think Amit and Seema. What about you?
Right now, it's getting installed.
Yes. Website installing. You are also doing simultaneously.
So
Pramod sir, yes.
Yeah, Bhavna, I'm going with business coaching and consulting. I think that's
Perfectly fine. Perfectly fine.
That suits my things.
Yes. Perfectly. Go ahead with whatever theme you are resonating with. If you are not able to fix your mind, then I have suggested go for the Nature Serum.
Okay.
But if you are finding it more close and whatever, that's why I have asked you yesterday to visualize your website. Just try visualizing your website so that whatever you have visualized, if you will find something, you can totally relate with that. So I think Meenakshi ma'am, you are also doing simultaneously something, right? So Sushil sir has said that he will do latter. So Goyal sir has joined today itself. So sir, you have to watch the previous 2-day session, 2-day recording, and you can catch up. And one more thing I want to share with all of you, this this 7 days is a kind of marathon. I want you to be in action. That's why I may go a little bit faster, but this is not end of your and my relationship, right? So in every Wednesday, we will come together, and whatever problem you are facing on your website, we will try to fix it. First thing. And second thing, whenever I will launch a website creation batch, all of you are most welcome, free of cost.
Thank you, ma'am.
Right, it's not that one time, okay, 7 days done, and whatever you have learned, and it's a continuous process. So two things I want to provide कि एक तो हर वेंसडे को एक कॉल होगी जिसमें आपके स्पेसिफिक इश्यूज हम लोग फिक्स करेंगे, एंड जो नेक्स्ट बैच लॉन्च होगा उसमें आप लोग एज अ पूरा 7 days फिर से आप इस मैराथन को कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं.
Bhavna, I needed little help here. See, I
Yes.
see that template now. How to install it? Like I click on it and then.
No, template you need not to install it. There is an option to import complete website.
Okay. So
import complete website. This is Nayan website, right? Nayan, this is your website. This is the template you have selected. Awesome.
Yes.
So beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes. So you have to just you have to change your logo. We can change this menu. We can write your lead magnet here. We can give the lead magnet link here. We can have the different categories here. We have to. That's why I said you must have a product photography. This kind of photography is possible. You have to do the little bit of product photography. So fantastic. Everywhere discount.com. This is also a decent one. We will work towards make it better. So Nayan done, Rakesh done, Amit. Is it done? Can we go and start editing for the pages? Start a little bit of customization.
No, ma'am. Just a minute. There was some error which came up when I clicked on this view site, and that site didn't open. Some error message was there.
Okay. Can you share the screen with me?
Yes, I'm sharing. I'm again.
Are you able to share it, or should I make you host?
Sharing. Okay. Host disabled.
I have made you host.
Bhavna, it says one last step. Am I a WordPress or I'm building my website first? So
yes, so you can select what if you are a beginners or intermediate or expert, whatever you feel like, you can select that. Right now for Rakesh, we have selected beginners, and you can select whether you are creating it for yourself or for the client. You can select for yourself and continue or start, or that whatever option is coming, you can continue with that.
No, still it is showing disabled.
Okay, so I have already made you.
Okay,
Garima is
other Garima. I think maybe you have checked in with 2 devices.
Okay, yes. I'm not sure which Garima. I have made
okay.
You. Let's see now.
Huh?
Let's see if you are able to share.
No. Okay, I'll check out.
Because it's exactly same. I'm not sure which Garima to make.
Okay, I have checked out.
Okay.
From one device now.
Nice. Now I have made your host again. Seema, all well, going smoothly?
Yeah. Yes. It's getting imported.
Okay, fantastic. Meenakshi ma'am, all well?
I'm doing.
Okay, that's wonderful. And rest of you, if you have any first question, you can ask. Otherwise, I'm here. Don't worry. If you're not able to do right now, it's perfectly fine. You can click on Hooray website imported. Click on visit website. Okay, it's perfectly fine. It's page not exist.
Doesn't seem to exist. Okay.
Yes, this is the home page. You have the home page is not aligned with your domain name.
Okay.
You can click on about us or program or success stories.
About.
So can you see the content? Home page is not aligned with your domain name and home page. So see, whatever pages we are creating, home, about us, contact us, program, blog, whatever pages we are creating, we have to decide which page we want to show as a home page. Right. So all the pages you have, and it's totally up to you which page you want to show as a home page. Right. So you have installed your plugin, your template perfectly fine. The only thing is that there is no page assigned, there is no page aligned or assigned or linked with your home.
Okay.
Right. So no worries, we will do that. We will fix that. You can decide which page you want to show as a home. And let's suppose program, you want to show program as a home page. So we will select program as a home page, and then whenever someone will open diet and nutrition, your program page will appear on the home page.
Okay, okay. So that is the only problem. Which page
Yes,
has
yes,
to be shown on
as a
one
home page? So it might be initially we have a 2021 template, and there was a dedicated home page name was different. Might be home page name was start page, or right now there is this in this theme there is no start page. So now home page is not able to align itself with any of the pages. So we will go to the page section and we will decide which page we want to keep, which page we want to remove, which page we want to show as a blog, which page we want to show as a home. So we can fix that.
Okay. In this, we can also add these number of these like home, about, programs, and more things we can add.
Yes, yes. This is what I'm next is once we will create the pages and then we will organize the menu. This is the 3 things I have decided. Agenda आज से लेके कल तक में हमने करना है कि अभी थीम इंस्टॉल हो गया और टेम्पलेट इंस्टॉल हो गया. यहाँ तक का काम अगेन वन टाइम जॉब. You need not to do it every day. Right?
Right.
So now we have to work on creating the pages, creating the menu, and set up the blog. There's 2 things. Write it down here so you have the intention very clear. We are going to create pages. We are going to create menus, manage menus, and create blog. Setting up our blog. Pages, menus, and blog.
Right.
Right.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I went come into the Hostinger plan, but it's showing your domain is not pointing to Hostinger.
So you have domain hosting both at one place.
Can you please host me?
Okay, okay. Just give me 1 second.
Yeah, Hostinger only. Hostinger.
Domain and hosting both is from the same place or from different places?
No. From Hostinger, I bought one domain name plus one month post hosting plan.
Okay, just give me 1 second. I'm making you host. And here, you can share the screen. Whoever want to recall that domain hosting part, we can revise that one right now. Amit, you can stop sharing the screen.
Yes, I'm doing it.
And whoever has already installed that, now you can keep exploring that WordPress dashboard, pages, host. Yes. I think I have made you host, ma'am. Okay, again, you have 2 devices. Which one I have to make? I think. Are you able to share the screen?
Hide self you have to do, na? Stop sharing.
Let's see if you are able to share the screen. Are you there? Yes. So here, whoever want to revise the domain hosting thing, we can see here. So we can go to our profile. Here, WordPress dashboard. Click on domain is not pointing to the hostinger. If you have pointed your domain to us, please keep in mind that domain propagation may take 24 hours. This is for that when you have domain somewhere else and hosting here. So here you have to select the name server and go to that place and link your hosting. But you have domain and hosting at the same place, right? So this is the domain you have purchased, amritham.co.in. Click on that. So your website is already linked and working. So come back to the dashboard, hosting dashboard. Come back to the hosting dashboard. Hosting dashboard. Okay, here you can also manage WordPress. Okay, go to the hosting account. This after that tab. Yes, this one, and click on that dashboard. Right. So here you can click on edit website. Is there any option to clickable edit website? The feature is not available. The domain is not pointing. Okay, scroll down. Scroll down. Maintenance, flush cache, WordPress update, no automatic update enabled, speed and security. Okay. So let's go to your product list. Let's go to your product list. Go to this profile. Go to this profile, small images of the profile. This here, upper left corner. Sorry, upper right corner. Upper right corner. Yeah, this small bell. There is a bell, and after that, yes. There, click on that, and click on. Okay, account information, account sharing, account activity. If it's not there, you are not migrating your website. Fair enough. Go to the main dashboard here. Below that, there is a search of dashboard. Go to that dashboard. All right. So scroll down, and see the domain. Where is the domain? Where is the domain? Yes, domain. Where is your domain? So, okay, your domain is not appearing here. Your domain name is not appearing here. Okay, so it's a subdomain, park domain, add website. We can add, either we can do one by one by adding website, but let me, before adding the website, let's go follow that process of how to fix that. Domain status not pointing to our name server, click on that, how to fix that. Because your domain is not appearing at all. So let's fix that. Domain is not pointing to our server, change name server to your domain, to all our hosting feature. This is your name server 1 and name server 2. So this is the name server we have to place in our domain. So you can copy this somewhere and paste it. No need to go to the tutorial, close it. And now go to the domain and check the name server. What is the name server of the domain? Have you got the domain as well? Okay, go to the Hostinger control panel, click on manage site. Where you can see the domain DNS, because it's saying that your domain is not pointing. So whenever you are finding this kind of error on any platform, we have to make sure that your DNS record should be pointing to the hosting name server. So you can click on update info, domain name, and there is an update info. Click on that update info. Domain name amritam.co.in, and there is an update info. Update info. Or we have to wait for, as it is saying, it may take 24 hours time. We have to wait for 24 hours. Okay, so domain name, list of domain name is appearing somewhere. Go to the domain, click on domains here, order, accounts, email, domain, click on the domain. Subdomain, park domain. Okay, you are not finding, click on add domain, then add website. If it is not appearing automatically, let's add website. Click on, select the domain name, write the domain name. It's a www.amritam.co.in. Whatever domain name you have bought, copy that domain name. we need not to go into the coding. You can close this. So let's do one thing. Amritam, are we able to go back to the ad website? Second one, ad website. This one, right? And here we are adding website. Click on domain and add website. Click on domain and add website. Your actual domain which you have bought. Co.in. Scroll down. Right. Click on set up a password for that. So here we are setting up the adding the domain name. The domain is already in use. That means this domain is already linked with your hosting. This domain is already listed with your hosting. So you have to give it some time and it will be linked. We have to give it some time because preview is also appearing. Go to that, go a little bit above, go to the WordPress dashboard. WordPress, after that, there is a, yes, the WordPress. And when we are clicking on dashboard, here, scroll down, and here, when it will be able to point, there is an option to edit website. There will be an option to edit website. As domain and hosting will be linked, you have the activated edit website. So right now, let's give it, as it is saying 24 hours time. So let's give it 24-hour time and it will be active. Right? Somehow it's a, you can also click on this amritam.co.in preview domain. Yes, click on that. So your domain is installed, but it's on the preview one, right? So let it give it some time to propagate it. Have you bought the domain hosting separately or bought it in one go, in one along with domain and hosting together or separately? Right now you can work with this as well. You have to click on, you have to write /wp-admin on the top of the domain URL where address is on top. Yes, enter /wp-admin. Right now work with the preview. Once it is propagated, it will be point to your main domain. Give it 24-hour time. Use the user ID password which you have used to set up your WordPress account. Right. So again, we are revising the Astra part. So you can simply go to the appearance, go to the theme. Click on search for Astra. Now click on add new. Click on add new on the top, add new. Click on add new. Right here, search theme, search for Astra. Search theme, search for Astra. Search theme, yes, ASTRA. Enter. And the first one, install and activate. Click on install, and then click on activate. This is the process you have to do, whoever has not doing with us. Sunil sir and Pramod. I think you only Sunil sir, Pramod sir and Goyal sir. Right? So we have to, we will, in the next version, you have to come up with these things. You have to go to the appearance, go to the theme, search, click on add new, click on search for Astra and install the Astra and then activate it. And ma'am, you give it 24 hours time. In 24 hours, your domain will point to the hosting. If it will not point, then you have to connect with the hostinger support. There will be a support system, and here you can say that why my domain and hosting is not pointing. Can you do that? Can we do that? You can click on activate, reload, Go back. It's coming due to the internet issue. So it's already installed. It's installed. You can click on get started. So activate, click on activate. Try to open any other website. Will it working? Is it working? Some other website? Yeah, its internet is working. Come back to the add theme. Come back to the add theme. Yes. Here, refresh the window. Refresh the window. And then again activate it. Okay. So I think we have to wait for because they are not able to reach to the domain name, and domain name is different than it's a preview.domain.com. It's your domain.previewdomain.com. So it's hosted as a subdomain, not as a main domain. Okay, no worries. So let's come back to your plugin. Go to your plugin. Click on add new. And here search for starter template. And install starter template by Brainstorm. Yeah, the first one. Brainstorm Force, first one. The top first one. Yes, click on install and then activate. Click on activate. Activation is not able to reach to your domain name. So let's wait for your domain name to link with your hosting. This is what right now we can do. We cannot, or you can connect with a Hostinger support system to help you to fix this, to link your domain and hosting. Right, go to the Hostinger and there will be a customer care support ticket or call or chat or message, whatever. You can just ask him that why it's not getting propagated right now. Otherwise, they are saying 24 hours, but if you can also connect right now. Is that fine? Go to the Hostinger and find the support help section of the Hostinger, customer support. Right, but you understand what we have to do. Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I request you to go to the Hostinger, find the support mechanism and ask that why your domain and hosting is not linked. And they may say you that, okay, you have to take 24 hours time, or they will fix it for you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, nice. So
one more doubt, ma'am. We are doing on WordPress platform. I saw that WooCommerce plus WordPress. What is the difference between WordPress and WooCommerce plus WordPress?
Right. See, WordPress is a CMS, content management system.
Okay.
Right. So where we are managing any kind of content, whether it's a blog content or product content or service content or any kind of content, we can manage in the WordPress. So WordPress is you can say that platform. In that platform, you can use any theme or any template.
Okay.
So WooCommerce is exclusive theme for online store.
Okay, only for online. Okay.
Only for e-commerce.
Okay.
So WooCommerce, either you can use WooCommerce exclusively for the online store, or you can use WooCommerce as part of your website. Your entire website is about personal branding, but there is a store integrated.
Okay. So okay.
Right. Let's suppose I have a website, Digital Seekers, or I have a website called Bhavna Bharadwaj. Now I want to sell something on bhavnabharadwaj.com.
Okay.
But I am presenting myself as a digital marketing trainer, but also I have some physical thing to sell.
Okay.
So I can integrate a WooCommerce theme or WooCommerce plugin and set up an online store in my bhavnabharadwaj.com as well.
Oh, in the personal website also.
In the personal website as well.
Okay, I understood.
Right? Nice.
Okay, understood. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much. And please, इस तरह के किसी को भी कोई भी issues होते हैं, if you have any issues, please bring it in the session. This is the best place to share the problem so that other people will get revised or get the insight from the issue. Because whatever problem we are facing, it's not your problem. So many others will face in future. So we will have the recording. We can go and revise and try to fix that. If we will solve more and more problem in the session, better you will be able to do yourself when you are doing on your own.
Okay.
Nice. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Let's come back, and I'm reclaiming the host again. Okay. Anyone else, or we should go ahead with the page creation? Can we go ahead with the page creation?
Yes.
One query was there.
Yes.
In the same hosting space, we can utilize this for many domains or just
Yes.
one only?
It depends on which hosting plan you have bought. Some hosting plan you have bought one website only, so they will allow you to host only one website. Some hosting plan you have bought 5 websites. In the same hosting, you can integrate 5 websites. If you have gone for unlimited website, there you can go and host unlimited website. But whenever it's saying unlimited, nothing is unlimited. In physical, there is nothing called unlimited. So what is that? What will happen in that case? What will happen in that case? You will be able to restrict by the number of databases you are creating. Just give me 1 second. My mobile is empty. Hello. I'm back.
So how to link the other website also to the same hosting space?
That the way I have shown just now. Add website. Go to your host, add website, and add the domain name there. And whenever you are adding the domain name, they will give you that. They will create an exclusive folder for that domain on your hosting space. So if your hosting space is an option that where you can add multiple domain, so you can always, there is an option to add domain. Or if you want to add subdomain, again you can go through the same process. Right?
Right.
Okay. Now let's come back and create few pages. So the structure, if you remember, we have worked on that. We have discussed about that structure. So at least if you want that many pages, you should have all these pages on your website. So you can have an about us page, and you can write everything in the about us, your story, your credential, your mission, your vision, everything in the about us page. Or if you want, you can create about us page, and you can have a separate page of a story, credential, mission, vision, and you can summarize all these things in the about us page. And someone want to go in detail of the credential, they can click on the credential and go to the dedicated page of credential. It's totally up to you how deep you want to provide, how much content you want to provide. Right? So right now we are going to focus on one page, one about us, one lead magnet, product services, multiple product and services. Especially we are talking about L1, L2, L3. Do you know what is L1, L2, L3? L1, L2, L3. It's a different level of your program, different level of your offerings. So level 1, you are going for like your lead magnet. Level 2 is your core product. Level 3 is your profit maximizer. So that way you have a different level of your program, right? So that can be a different product, or you can be a services. Whenever this is service, you have to present your service as a product. there can be a resource section, because whenever people are coming, when you are providing one product and services, are you providing everything in your industry? You might not be providing everything in your industry. Whatever you are doing, let's suppose Sing Academy, you are providing what kind of education we are supposed to provide in the Sing Academy?
एक तो मैम ये जनरल जो हमारे सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग से कोर्स हैं वो, प्लस दूसरा जो केजी से लेके 12 तक के बच्चे हैं उनके लिए जो उनका कैरिकुलम है उसके सॉफ्टवेयर, और तीसरा है हमारा जो भी पढ़ने वाले लोग हैं चाहे वो किसी भी उसके हों स्ट्रीम के, उनके लिए मेमोरी टेक्निक्स का सॉफ्टवेयर.
So apart from that, let's suppose you want to teach rocket science, like how to launch rocket, right? Let's suppose if this is one of the things people want to learn and you are not providing it, but as you are an education platform, you can guide them. Okay, I'm not providing this product and services, but this is the right person who can provide you.
Yes. Sure.
Are you getting what I'm trying to say? So you are providing the courses, but if you are not providing the physical books, you can have a list of physical books in your resource section. People can go and buy it.
Yes, correct.
If you are not providing notebook, you are providing right copy pen to write, or you are providing some supportive study material. So which is not your core thing, but you are providing it as a support, or you are providing as an affiliate link. Means you have some tie-up with, suppose you have tie-up with the domain. You are providing how to create a website, but you are not providing domain and hosting. You are not a domain registrant. You are not a hosting provider. So in that case, GoDaddy or BigRock or HostIgniter or all these you can showcase as a affiliate link, where you can make some extra cash on that.
कम से कम 4 एफिलिएट लिंक हमें ऐड करने रहेंगे इसके साथ.
It's totally up to you. 4 हो 40 हो, how much you can manage at your level, it's totally up to you. Minimum you can start with 1. And I personally feel you recommend only those products and services which you are 100% convinced, or which you have already used yourself, or which can add real value to your website user.
Yes.
Not only for the sake of money.
No.
Yes.
For value.
Right. So, and then you can have a blog section. In blog, you can have an article, blog, or videos, or podcast. You can have a contact us page. You're in the contact us page. So this is the structure we will try to create. So let's come back here, and this is your dashboard, and you can go to the pages and click on all pages. Right. So by default, these pages are created. You see that so many pages.
Yeah.
So if you want these pages to have, you can keep these pages. If you want to remove these pages, you can remove. So you can see that my account and my account, 2 pages. Just you can click on one of the page, you can remove. Okay. Sample page, definitely sample page we don't want to keep, you can remove.
Okay.
After 1 minute, sorry to interrupt. Can you go back to this, like how we came to this all pages thing?
Yes, here this is the option of pages. Can you see this page option? And in within that page option, there is a all pages and add new. So whenever we want to create a new page, we will click on add new. Whenever we want to see all the list of all the pages we have already created, you can click on all pages. So we have clicked on all pages, and we are seeing this about and all the pages.
Yeah, unnecessary को हटा दीजिए यहाँ से.
So unnecessary, it's totally up to you which you want to keep, which you want to.
चाहेंगे तो बाद में ऐड कर लेंगे ना.
If you want to start from the scratch, generally I also do the same way. एक बार सबको हटा देते हैं, फिर जैसे जैसे रिक्वायरमेंट होगी हम लोग उसको ऐड कर लेंगे.
ऐड करते रहेंगे. Correct.
Right. So it's a web designing right now, because this is the one of your course. It might be your course. So right now I'm keeping it. Privacy policy account में से एक रखते हैं, हटा देते हैं. So my account page I'm Elementor वाला ही रख लेते हैं. 2 home pages भी 2 हैं.
एक हटा दीजिए.
एक हटा देते हैं. So you can just remove the extra pages which you want to remove, or whenever you want to create an extra page, you can go click on add new and you can create as well.
Yeah.
So about us भी 2 है. क्योंकि आपने पीछे you have already installed other theme, तो उस थीम के साथ कुछ पेज आ गए होंगे. अभी हमने एक नया थीम डाला, तो इस थीम के साथ भी कुछ पेजेस बन गए.
इसीलिए डबल हो गए.
तो contact भी 2 है. Or you can just scrap all these and you can create your new. So digital marketing courses, contact, checkout cart, all courses, home, right? So now whatever page we want to edit, right now, whatever page we want to edit, we will go to that, click on edit. We can do the quick edit, we can do the edit. So when you are going on quick edit, you can give the name of that page, and slug is the URL. Slug is the URL. So your singacademy.in/home is a slug. So date of publishing, you can pre-publish it, you can post-publish it, and you can currently publish it. Author, you can add, because whoever as a user, you can add many users. You can click on all user, you can add users, you can manage your profile, you can add many users, and you can, every user can be an author. So you can have a different author. Right now there is one user, so it can be author, but right now the username is coming S25 Rakesh 69. So rather than this, you can go to the user section. You can go to the user section here. You can go to the user section, click on the profile and manage your profile. Abhi jo naam aa raha hai na S25, you can give a proper name, proper photograph, and that can be as an author. You can set up the password if you want this page to be a password protected. If you want कि ये page को private कर देना है, let's suppose you are doing online journaling, you every day you go and write, so you want to make it private. So every day you don't have to go do the copywriting, you can just do your online diary writing and you can make it private. Or you are creating, let's suppose I'm creating an exclusive list of all the tools for you, and I want this page available to only my paid customer, so I can make it password protected. And I will share the password with my in the WhatsApp group. You can enter the password and you can have the list of all these digital marketing tools at one place. But this is exclusively for the people who have the password.
Correct.
Right. So that way, this all whatever I'm showing right now, this is for one page, but you can make it for every single page. It's totally up to you.
Correct.
You can make it parent page or child page. Parent page means let's suppose online course is your parent page. And within that online course, you want digital marketing or KG to 12 or web designing or MBA or MCA. So these are the different pages you are creating for the different courses. So in that case, you can decide whether you want this page to be a parent page or whether you want to be this page as a child page of any other parent.
नहीं अभी ये तो पेरेंट पेज ही रहे ना अभी
ये तो पेरेंट ही रहेगा, बट आप कभी भी जैसे आपने ये आप ले सपोज डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कोर्स है, वेब डिजाइनिंग है, तो आप जब वेब डिजाइनिंग की एडिटिंग कर रहे होंगे तो यू कैन मेक इट वेब डिजाइनिंग एज अ चाइल्ड ऑफ ऑल कोर्सेज.
यस
राइट. So you can whenever you are selecting parent child relationship, it's not going to visibly appearing to your end user. यूजर को बाय डिफॉल्ट ऐसा नहीं दिखेगा कि आपने ऑनलाइन कोर्स बनाया उसका ये दिस इज नॉट द मैकेनिज्म टू क्रिएट द मेन्यू. अभी जो हम चाइल्ड और पेरेंट बात कर रहे हैं उससे बाय डिफॉल्ट आपका मेन्यू स्ट्रक्चर नहीं बनेगा. मेन्यू बनाने के लिए अलग से हमको अपीयरेंस में जाना होगा, अलग से मेन्यू में जाना होगा, अलग से एक एक पेज सेलेक्ट करने होंगे, मेन मेन्यू सेलेक्ट करना होगा, सब कैटेगरी. तो मेन्यू मैनेजमेंट एक अलग है. मेन्यू मैनेजमेंट में हमने जो भी पेजेस बनाए हैं सबको हम जैसे चाहें वैसे मेन्यू में दिखा सकते हैं. जहां पे हमने अगर पेरेंट चाइल्ड रखा है तो इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि वो मेन्यू में बन जाएगा. मेन्यू हमें अलग से ऑर्गेनाइज करना पड़ेगा. तो मेन्यू इज द थिंग विच विल अपीयर टू योर एंड यूजर विजिबली. जो मेन्यू में हम ऑर्गेनाइज करेंगे वो हमारे एंड यूजर को ठीक से दिखेगा. और यहाँ जो हम ऑर्गेनाइज करेंगे वो हमारे इंटरनल मैनेजमेंट के लिए, इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर के लिए. राइट. So apart from that, you can also decide the order of the page, like what is the priority order, 0, 1, 0 is the highest priority. You can set the order of the page, and then you can decide the template, because a different page have a different design. Same website, different page, different design. So every theme can give you different kind of templates. So this particular theme is giving us Elementor full width theme. Elementor full width का क्या होगा कि इसमें कोई साइड बार नहीं होगा, लेफ्ट साइड बार भी नहीं है, राइट साइड बार भी नहीं है. राइट. सो अबाउट अस के लिए एक डिफरेंट डिजाइन हो जाए और होम पेज के लिए एक डिफरेंट डिजाइन हो जाए. तो जो अभी आप पेज सेलेक्ट कर रहे हैं उसमें कौन सा टेम्पलेट, कौन सा डिजाइन आप रखना चाहते हैं, यू कैन सेलेक्ट फ्रॉम द डिजाइन. So right, do you want to allow, अब ये पेज जो आप पब्लिश करेंगे, do you want end user to write comment on that? Let's suppose in general क्या होता है, जो हमारा मेन प्रोडक्ट पेज होता है उसमें हम कमेंट अलाउ नहीं करते, जो हमारा मेन कोर्सेज पेज होगा उसमें हम कमेंट अलाउ नहीं करते, लेकिन जो हमारा ब्लॉग सेक्शन होगा, जो हमारे FAQ सेक्शन होंगे, जो हमारा वीडियो सेक्शन होगा जिसमें हम नॉलेज शेयरिंग कर रहे हैं, वहां पे हम कमेंट अलाउ करते हैं. So totally up to you whether you want to allow the comment. You can, if you want to allow, you can allow, and you want this page.
आप जैसा इस कोर्स के अनुसार और जो सही है उस तरीके से करते हुए चलें, बताते हुए तो सब चलें.
हाँ.
आप कर सकते हैं, लेकिन अभी करें वही जो राइट है.
राइट, अभी मैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही करूंगी. बट व्हाट आई मीन टू से दैट कि ये जो whatever I'm talking about one page, this is applicable, this you have to exercise on every single page.
Yes.
This much of decision you have to take on every single page. It's not that easy, it's not that tough. I mean to say that बहुत आसान है, आपको इतना वो सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है. But yes, for the sake of explanation, I have shared it. So right now you want this page as a published page or pending review or draft में रखेंगे, किसी को नहीं दिखेगा. Pending review में रखेंगे, किसी को नहीं दिखेगा. Publish करेंगे तभी ये पेज किसी को दिखेगा. Right?
Okay.
So here coming back, right now I'm cancelling it and we are going back to the home. This is our home, and you can go to the full-fledged editing. You can click here and you can go with the full-fledged editing. So this is called block editing. You can select a particular block. So many of people, you might find that placeholder will appear here. यहाँ पे हमने Elementor लिया हुआ है, इसलिए block editing allow कर रहा है. Block editing means every single section of your website is a block. आपके पेज में आपने एक इमेज डाला, एक ब्लॉक है, एक पैराग्राफ डाला, एक ब्लॉक है. So either you can decide each and every block yourself, or you can जो टेम्पलेट आपने लिया है वो टेम्पलेट ही आपको ऑलरेडी डिजाइन करके दे, आप उसको उस ब्लॉक को केवल एडिट कर लें. बोथ द ऑप्शंस आर देयर. सो राइट नाउ दिस इज गिविंग यू ऑप्शन टू स्क्रैच, डिजाइन योर पेज फ्रॉम द स्क्रैच. सो राइट नाउ फर्स्ट आई वांट टू गिव यू ऑप्शन टू, जहाँ पे ऑलरेडी बनाया पेज है उसको आप पहले एडिट करें rather than designing your page from the scratch. So I'm designing it edit with Elementor. अभी जो आपने जो भी थीम के अंदर जो भी टेम्पलेट लिया है, उस टेम्पलेट में जो पेजेस होंगे, आप जब उसको एडिट करने जाओगे तो मोस्ट लाइकली उसका टेम्पलेट ऑलरेडी डिजाइन होगा. कैन यू सी दैट? यही हमारा होम पेज था. तो आइदर यू कैन डिजाइन होम पेज फ्रॉम द स्क्रैच, एक एलिमेंट को, ऑल दीज आर द ब्लॉक, ये हेडिंग है, ये कॉल टू एक्शन है, ये बटन है. तो या तो आप एक एलिमेंट को स्क्रैच से आप अपनी तरीके से डिजाइन कर लें, या फिर जो टेम्पलेट आपको मिला हुआ है उसी को एडिट कर लें. Right now I would suggest कि जो भी template आपने decide किया है, right now start with do with that template. Once you are comfortable editing the existing template, you can keep adding new and new blocks, or you can start from the scratch as well. Right? So here learning with earning, is this the correct one?
Correct.
If you want to add more thing, you can add here. You can add some other thing. Just give me some idea what you want to add here. So this is the part where you have to be clear about कि किस पेज में क्या content डालना है. I'm just trying to collect some content from Google. Learn with Earn. Right. So I'm just
इसमें मैम यहाँ से चेक करना है जो लिखा हुआ ना आप लर्निंग विद अर्निंग वाला, उसमें अर्निंग वाइल लर्निंग विद मेमोरी टेक्निक्स इन ए स्मार्टेस्ट वे, ये लिखना है.
Okay, so you might be say learn memory technique.
Earning while learning.
Earning while learning. Earning while learning.
With memory techniques.
while learning or while earning. No. Earning
while
learning
with,
using memory technique.
yeah, using memory techniques in a smartest way.
Memory
Techniques
in
a smartest way.
So अभी whatever I would suggest, जो भी content आप लिख रहे हो, whatever is, again don't try to be perfect one. Just try to let's suppose first version में आपने लिखा था learning and earning. Second version में you have made it better.
Yeah.
So in that way you have to right now अभी you have to fill in the blanks. जो भी templates का content है आपको fill in the blanks करना है. And next version में you can make it better. It's your website, you can do changes anytime. So अभी हमारी कोशिश है कि template का जो fill in the blanks है वो हम कर लें.
Yes. यहाँ पे आप E कर दीजिए. Starting. Okay. Earning
while learning using memory technique in the smartest way. Here you can just think about memory techniques क्या हैं.
Bhavna, I have a question.
Right. Yes.
So when I was like, when you were working with Garima ma'am, what I did is I just went to this website, the same thing, and I clicked on like from the word, like I didn't go to the panel, the admin panel. From the same link, I just clicked on edit. So that's also fine, right? I mean, like I didn't go like to the page, like
perfectly fine, no worry.
Okay.
So to reaching to a particular page or editing a particular area of your website, there is so many way to reach there. Either you can go to the page and click on add pages or new pages or all pages, and then you can go to the edit option, or you can just, your page is opened, or here the right edit page option is there. There you can do the editing. For example, can you see that in this black putty? You will find this black option, and here you will find the option of edit page. So you can edit that page from editing there as well, or you will find some customize or edit page here. You can go to edit page section there from there as well. So it's perfectly fine.
Got it.
As long as you are clear about that what you are editing, this is what you were intended to edit. So if you are editing your home page, so you have to make sure that you are editing home page. You are not editing about us page and thinking, okay, why it's not appearing on the home page.
Correct. So I had one more question with regards to the parent and the child page. So what I understood is, like, for example, in about section, I want to include like more pages. So about would be my parent page, and whatever page I'll be adding in the about section, that will be my child page. Is that correct?
Perfectly. Yes, perfectly fine. So about, if you are adding a story, so about us, about your parent, story, my story is the child, my credential is the child, my certification is the child, my hobbies is the child, my mission, my vision. If you are creating exclusive pages under like which you want to add in your about, all these pages will become child of about.
Okay, so we will create all separate pages, and we will mention as parent and the child page. And when we are creating the menu, that's when it comes into picture, what to select as a parent and what to select as a child, so that it appears.
Yes, in appearance wise, it's not going to do much. In appearance wise, till you will not selecting it as a entire structure. In menu, you have all the freedom how you are organizing it, how you are presenting it to the end user. It's there is no such restriction that in my, let's suppose in my parent in my page structure, I have created about us as the parent and my story as the child. But in my website, when someone is coming on my website, I want my story as the first menu option.
Correct.
So there it's perfectly fine. I can go and add my story as the first menu option.
Okay, got it.
So creating the pages, creating the post, creating the category, creating the subcategory, creating the sub pages, creating the parent pages, creating the child pages, All these are for the internal management, internal storage, internal structuring of your website management, which is this is the way how your page is getting stored in your server.
Yes.
Thematically, thematically all the pages will be together in storage wise. But presentation wise, it's totally, you have all the free hands how you want to present that.
Awesome.
So coming back, it's already 42. I hope how many of you are feeling overwhelmed? Is it too much for the day?
Oh, it's okay. Okay. If can, then complete this man page.
Yes. So here you can, right now I have given some of the pointers here. I have just copied some content from.
वो मैं कर लूंगा, उसमें एडिट करना है वो कर लेंगे, जो हमें एड करना है वो एड करने का तरीका आना चाहिए बस.
Yes. आपको
एड कर लेंगे. Yes.
Yes. Yes. You can
इसमें मुझे नीचे एक लाइन और अगर ऐड करनी है तो वो ब्लॉक बना के ऐड करनी होगी या इसी में ऐड हो जाएगा?
See, this is one of the block. You can see that this is the block and this is the title block.
Yeah.
अब इस टाइटल ब्लॉक में जो भी एडिटिंग करनी है वो आप यहाँ टाइटल पे कर रहे हैं. इसमें लिंक डालना है, इसका साइज चेंज करना है, इसको अभी ये H1 में है तो is the header. H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 is the header. If you will make it let's suppose H4, so size will automatically reduce. If you are making it H6, the size will even smaller. So if you are making it H1, so presentation wise you have to play with this. कि size क्या रखना है, default रखना है, maximum. Let's suppose I am making it extra large, so it will make extra large size. If I am making it smaller or default, it will change according to that. So you whatever block you will select here, corresponding content, corresponding style, and corresponding advanced setting option is appearing here.
Correct.
Right. So this is a part of Elementor. In many of your cases, might be editing option will be appearing here only. You can click on the edit option and all the editing will appear somewhere in the here only, or you can see the here option. So if you want to add pointers, let's suppose I want to add it as a pointer, memory, speed, repetition or something. So what I can do, I can click on the.
Yes, correct.
So this is, if you see, this is your simply the word file, isn't it? Paragraph, bold, italic, underline, bulleted points, numbering, link. You want full screen, or you want that content should be divided into parts. So you have to experiment. You can add media, you can add images. If you want to add images in this section, you can add media.
Okay, अभी तो नंबरिंग कर दीजिए इसमें.
हाँ, अभी तो हम लोग नंबरिंग कर देते हैं. Here are the few most common Memory devices, memory places, and memory space repetition, chunk to remember.
नंबरिंग कर दीजिएगा, लिख लेंगे उसमें.
हाँ. So you have these things. And you want it to be presented like कि okay ये दो column में आ जाए. You can do that as well.
हाँ, इसके आगे भी तो कर सकते हैं नंबरिंग.
हाँ, या फिर हाँ इसके आगे नंबरिंग कर सकते हैं, बुलेट पॉइंट डाल सकते हैं, इधर एक इमेज डाल सकते हैं. हियर यू कैन इस सारे इंफॉर्मेशन को दो कॉलम में रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. सो यू कैन प्ले विद दैट.
ओके.
So you have done training on the memory thing?
Yeah, I am taking now.
You are taking memory classes?
Yes.
Wow. So your memory will be very sharp, right?
यहाँ आगे बिल्कुल ट्रेनर बनना है उसमें मेमोरी टेक्निक्स के लिए, क्योंकि मैं उसमें मेमोरी टेक्निक्स के सॉफ्टवेयर को सेलिंग का काम कर रहा हूँ. तो मुझे ट्रेंड होना बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि वो मुझे स्कूलों में और कॉलेजों में जाके सेल करना है, तो पहले मुझे डेमो देना होगा वहाँ पे.
ओके.
तो डेमो के लिए हमें मेमोरी टेक्निक्स आनी चाहिए.
So you are practicing it for yourself.
Yes. और उसी की सेलिंग है, तो यहाँ पे हम मेमोरी टेक्निक्स दिखाएं भी, और यहाँ पे लिंक भी उसके हों फ्रंट पेज पे.
राइट.
डेमो में जाके वहाँ पे मेमोरी टेक्निक्स को देख सकते हैं, जैसे मेमोरी टेक्निक्स का लिंक.
Okay.
डेमो लिंक.
So you can have rather than here click here, you can have a demo memories. Or here you can anyone click and go to your video section and see the demo, something like that.
Yes. वो लिखना भी है उसमें और डेमो का लिंक भी डालना है.
Yes, yes. So this way you have to experiment with, after once you are done with it, you have to save it.
जैसे अभी कहीं पे लिंक का है, लिंक का आप जरा एक लिंक डालिएगा, मैं बताऊं फिर.
So let's suppose this is your link, right? Here, yes. This is the link element or learn now. Let's suppose you are editing this link.
brainscienceindia.com.
So here you are learn now or demo, whatever what you want to write here. उस पेज पे जाने के लिए क्या यहाँ लिखना चाहते हैं?
डेमो लिंक लिख दीजिए.
डेमो or watch demo.
डेमो लिंक, मेमोरी टेक्निक्स डेमो लिंक.
और लिंक डेमो
लिंक कर दीजिएगा, बाद में वो हम लिख लेंगे इसमें. डेमो लिंक कर दीजिएगा.
So here you can make it memory demo.
Yeah.
Memory demo, something like that. And you want to link it. When someone will click here, you want them to send to which website you have said?
brainscienceindia.com.
Brain
Science.
BRAIN Brain Science India. SCIEN Brain Science India.com. So this is what I was talking about. You want to reach to a particular brand, but that brand is not appearing on the Google search. This you don't want to do for yourself. Or might be page is not existing or something. Is their website is there? The Brain Science India business. This is the free Google site.
Yeah. It takes way उसी का Brain Science का ही part.
Yeah, this is the free Google site.
Yeah.
Is this the website you are talking about?
ये भी है और दूसरी भी है.
Okay, right now I'm selecting this one, but
yeah, आप एक डाल दीजिएगा, उसका लिंक मेरे पास है, मैं डाल दूंगा. लिंक ही तो चेंज करना है ना.
हाँ, you have to place that link.
Yeah.
Right, so here you will place your link. Right, even link की भी आप setting कर सकते हैं. Link में भी setting कर सकते हैं. You can set up your alignment, centralized align or left align. You can make it size extra large, or you can change the icon, or you can change the icon spacing.
Correct.
Right. So you can, if you want to use this button regularly, you can give a particular button ID. Wherever you want to use, you can use the same ID.
Correct.
Right. So this way you have to do a little bit of editing, study and learn and get started. So what is this? Here, if you have any association with any organization, you can have upload.
We are associated with Study and Learn, Get Set Go.
So here you can add the pictures. You have to upload the picture for each. You can click on edit picture and upload the picture, and you can write the caption for it.
Correct.
So this category is showing this much of images. If this is called image gallery. This is called image gallery. So each of the image gallery have an image and a caption. So if you want this image gallery to be your own, so you can click on edit and then you can go to the image section and you can have your own images.
अपने डेस्कटॉप या लैपटॉप से अपलोड करके करना है.
Yes, and you can just write it. Let's say for first association for
क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं वो उसमें नीचे राइट कर.
Yes, this image is associated with what?
Yeah.
So each image have the corresponding caption. This caption is going to appear on your with the image.
Yes, correct.
So having like you have to do a little bit of practice on that. What we do here is it's a company. You can write what we do, and again here you can say that it's a placeholder things. So you can write what memory technique do.
Yeah, correct.
I'm not finding any content, but you can have a little bit of about yourself kind of thing. So
okay.
What Sing Academy do?
Yeah.
What Academy do? So you have to find, like today you have to finalize the pages. I want it to be as less pages. I want it to be this number of pages only. For today, I want about us, product, blog, and contact. You can leave the resource section. You can leave the lead magnet.
Okay.
You can have about us pages. You can have one product or services pages. You can have blog section. You can have a contact us pages. So right now we have to make a more presentable about us page, blog page, product page, and contact us page. We will start with these 4 pages rather than working on that many pages. Is it fine?
Fine.
Right. So this way, even whatever academy we have selected, we have these.
रहेगा तो ये तो चेंज हो जाएगा ना?
Sorry.
जो Learn Dash Academy लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे Sing Academy करना रहेगा.
Yes, yes, definitely. That you have to go and change it. ये जो Learn Dash Academy है, you have to go and.
लोगो तो मैं यहाँ पे लगा लूँगा, कोई बात.
आपको लोगो अपलोड करना होगा.
Yes, लोगो अपलोड कर लेंगे.
So, okay, this is the pro they are asking for. So logo you can change from here as well, or because logo is the which is going to appear on every single page of your website. So whenever you have to change something which is going to appear on every single page of your website, that is not going to happen from your okay. So that is not going to happen on your page section. Do you remember I have discussed about?
Yes.
So whenever you want to do changes on the globally on the website, for that you have to go to the appearance.
Yeah.
So logo is when you are trying to change logo, it is the part of page or it is part of every page of the website?
So every page पे होना चाहिए.
Yes. So that will happen from the appearance. So you can go to the customize. So first task is I will explain one more time, one page from scratch to finish. And second task, we will go and explore the customize section.
Okay.
So in customize section, again, you will not be able to do customize everything, but what we will try, the minimum जो information आपके पास है, for example, you have the, so you can change the, here you can, what color combination you are selecting. So color combination, how you are going to select the color combination? Okay, I will explain when we will start with the logo. Whatever color combination we are deciding in our logo, that color combination we will apply on our website. So it is a typography. Let's suppose our color, my color is orange and blue. So what I will do, where my button, all my button can be orange. So if my logo, see, can you see that your logo is blue color and all the button is of blue color?
Yes.
So in the same way, if your logo, whatever color combination you have in the logo, that color combination should reflect from your website. So it is a typography, means what kind of typography you are using for the text.
Ma'am, but one button is not in white color, no ma'am. 2 is in blue and 1 is in white.
So you can go and change that. It's a to stand out. It might be possible like to stand out. You are keeping one button in red. Like
okay.
Demo button. Demo is the most important button. All the button are in that color and demo is in red. Something like that.
Okay.
But it's always
at that case where we have to change the color. If I want only one in red.
Sorry.
If I want one button in red color, or where I have to select for that color.
So you have every button, every single button have the edit option. So right now, whatever we are doing, it's a global change. It will happen globally.
Okay.
So if I will change the text color, if I will change the theme color, if I will change the link color, it will going to use on across the website. Whatever you are doing in the customized section, whatever you are doing in this customized section, it's going to reflect on throughout your website. Everywhere. But on your home page, you want this button only changed. So you can go and select this button and you can change the element of this button.
Okay.
And this is for, right?
एक का change कर दीजिए इसको कर जैसे अभी learn demo वाला था.
Okay, so you will have, for that we will go to the home page and we will select this button and we will do the changes, right? Okay. So right now we okay, let's do one thing because it's already 2 hours. Now you have get little bit of glimpse that what we are supposed to do on your website.
तो लोगो है और ये यहाँ पे कुछ चेंज करना जैसे होम अबाउट और ई बुक्स हैं यहाँ पे भी कुछ 2-4 और.
No, so make a note of it. What you have to do today. Make a note of it. Today you will go and explore the page, how to create a page. You can just click on this add new, and you can just try to add experiment with the page. You can name it as a demo page. You can name it as a demo page and play with all the elements of the page. Can do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So today make yourself familiar with the page elements.
Okay.
Right. Second thing, you will go to this appearance and go to this customization and just try to open all the option customization have. Just try to understand what are the options available in our customization section. Okay, menu, widgets, try to understand that what is it, and I will explain one by one. All right, can you make yourself familiar with the customize option and page option? If you are able to customize if you are able to understand these two things, so you can create as many pages as you want, and you can manage your common area like header, footer, sidebar, menu. You can manage whatever way you want to manage. So in the first go, it might seems a little bit overwhelming, and we are not gone a little bit a structured way, what I have planned for. So tomorrow I will start with a brand new page and create an entire page in front of you.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Right. So before that, I want you to go and familiarize yourself with the page elements and with the this appearance customization element.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. So can we, everyone can commit to do this assignment?
Sure, sure.
Yes.
Just write, I will do explore pages. Page, and just write page and what else? Write page and customize, appearance customize. I will explore page, I will explore customize, page and customize. Nice, thank you. Thank you, Nayan. Page and customize, page, appearance and customize. Nice, thank you.
Chapat paneer butter.
Okay, so if you have more time, you can go and familiarize yourself with the other element of the page, other element of the WordPress, right? Page and customize. Seema is also going to, because this is the one which you are going to almost whenever you have a new idea, you are going to create the page. Whenever you have a new idea, you want to integrate that page somewhere visibly on your website, in a menu or in sidebar or in footer. That is the customize option. So the more familiar you are with the page elements, the more familiar you with the customized elements, you will be have entire things. About the blog, regarding the blog, I haven't said a single word till now. So let's blog separate, and I will set up the blog in tomorrow session or day after tomorrow session. Is that fine? So for you, if you want, anyone want to go and set up a blog, we can set up, you have to set up the entire blog from the post section. Page is for the fixed information, blog is for the regular information. There is no much difference between the page and the blog. Only the blog information you are publishing on the regular basis, monthly, weekly, daily, that kind of thing. And page information fixed, about us fixed, contact us fixed, product page fixed. So you are not going to create content about, create content or change content every single day. So pages, fixed information, and regular content, post. So post is the blog setup. I will share that blog setting because blog is the objective of this entire training. So blog, I will set, I will make sure that you are setting up your blog for sure.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, तो आज के लिए done करें.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, nice, thank you. So any question, concern, doubt for now? अभी के लिए?
Nothing, ma'am.
Nothing. So I'm looking forward. Yes, you have to do a little bit of practice, and whatever problem you are facing, just click a photograph and share in the group, so that whenever we will start tomorrow, we have the pointers कि हाँ कौन सी problem को fix करनी है. Done?
Done.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Nice. See you tomorrow. Nice. Thank you so much, and looking forward to see you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.